Did you know that ChatGPT includes a variety of settings you can customize to make your experience more personal, secure, and efficient? From appearance and notifications to privacy, memory, and connected features, the settings menu gives you control over how ChatGPT works for you. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most important ChatGPT settings and show you how to manage them step by step. Let's dive in. First, sign in to your ChatGPT account. Once you're on the main screen, click your profile icon in the corner and select Settings. This is where you'll find all of the available account and personalization options. Inside Settings, you'll see several categories. Take a moment to browse through each section so you know where everything is located. Depending on your account type and device, some options may be different or unavailable. Next, open the Personalization section. Here you can manage features like memory, allowing ChatGPT to remember helpful preferences if the feature is enabled for your account. You can review, update, or remove saved memories whenever you want. Now check your privacy and data settings. These options help you manage how your account information is handled and give you access to tools related to your conversations, account data, and other privacy features. You can also personalize the way ChatGPT looks and feels. Depending on your platform, you may be able to switch between light mode, dark mode, or your system theme. Other preferences may also be available to improve your overall experience. If your account includes additional features, you'll also find settings for connected tools, voice features, subscriptions, or other available services. Explore these sections to understand what's available with your current plan. Most settings update automatically as you make changes, but it's always a good idea to review everything before closing the settings window. Spending a few minutes customizing your account can make ChatGPT more comfortable and productive to use, and that's how to manage your ChatGPT settings. Whether you're adjusting personalization, privacy, appearance, or account preferences, the settings menu gives you complete control over your experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.